lagi keenakan makan. Ini tradisional Sunday lunch, British tradisional Sunday lunch. Jadi setiap hari Minggu di restoran atau dimanapun, untuk orang-orang Inggris biasanya makan menu Sunday lunch seperti ini. Ada beef, ada lamb, roast potato, sayur-sayuran. Nah, sekarang saya lagi makan lamb Sunday lunch dengan saus, dengan mint saus. Mau tahu cara pembuatan tradisional Sunday lunch seperti ini? Tonton video saya yang akan dibuat langsung oleh orang Inggris, ya, yang akan dibuat langsung oleh GB. Oke, see you. Sekarang saya lanjut makan lagi. It's very nice, juicy and tender.
Shoulder, plenty of fat to give it flavour. Place it down with the fat up, get rid of the blood. We need to give it some season, so we'll give it a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper, black pepper I prefer. Then we'll cover it with some silver foil. That way we cook it long and slow. Better flavour. Then we'll put in the oven at 150 for 40 minutes to start with. Let's take my lamb out. Oh, sealing very nice. Okay, so we'll put back in the oven for 30 minutes and turn the heat up to 200. Okay. See, starting to brown. Perfect. So, we'll turn the oven back down again. No foil for about 30 minutes. Put back in. Then turn on. Prepared potatoes, quartered. We'll lightly boil these and then they'll go in to the oven to become roast potatoes. And we've got some broccoli and some beans, which will go on lightly and be done in about 30 minutes. Out the lamb. Oh, look at that, starting to brown beautifully on the outside, the skin. Look. Oh, perfect. So what we'll do now, we'll get the semi-cooked potatoes, put them around the lamb. Okay. Okay. And then we'll put it back in the oven. Oh, don't lose some. Put it back in the oven to roast them off. They're semi-cooked because they won't cook at the same time as the lamb. Okay, it may look like it's slightly overcooked, but it won't be, trust me. Okay, then we go back into the oven. Okay, 150. The vegetables I prepared earlier are slightly boiling on a slow heat. Okay, job done. The lamb is now done, so we'll bring the lamb out and we'll put it on one side to rest. Okay, so it goes there to rest. And the potatoes will go back in the oven for at least another 10 minutes. This is beautiful and tender. Lovely shoulder of lamb, cooked to perfection. Would you like some gravy to go with it? There's some mint sauce, which is of course perfection. You must have mint sauce on the side. So we pour some gravy on the top.